Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily sync an Xbox One controller to the Xbox One. Now, the easiest way to sync this wirelessly is by holding this button down on top of the controller for 4 seconds. So we can hold this down, and we want to hold it down at the same time we press the button on the Xbox One itself. So if we look under the power button, there will be another button to press and hold down that's going to cause this light to blink. So if we hold both these buttons down at the same time, they're going to be blinking together. Now eventually they will go ahead and sync and blink at the same time. So if it's not connecting wirelessly like this, what you want to go ahead and try is connecting a USB cable to the front of your Xbox One, and then simply plugging this in, then press the Xbox button right here, and then it should be a solid light right here, indicating it's connected. Then you can simply unconnect it, and then it should connect wirelessly now, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.